Hey, my friend, make $100 a day on Facebook with this one trick. In this video, I'm going to break down this simple one trick on Facebook, and it'll allow you to generate $100 plus per day with a little bit of elbow grease. So stay tuned. My name is Eric and I'm with reviewtheinside.com, and I always do product reviews to help entrepreneurs to be successful, and I also give tips and techniques on how to make money. So consider subscribing so you don't miss another video. Again, my name is Eric and I've been doing internet advertising since the early 2000s. As soon as I graduated high school early to go into college, and I started going into the medical field. I wanted to be a sports physician, but it wasn't fulfilling me and it wasn't exciting. So I started looking elsewhere and I came across internet advertising. I got so deep into internet advertising that I did a few wrong moves, if you will. I got a little desperate, if you will, and I just wanted to be successful at all costs. But it actually cost me everything. It cost me my house, it cost me my car and the girlfriend that I had at the time, and I ended up on my cousin's couch. So I had to start from scratch. So if you are frustrated and things are not working out for you, trust me, step back, take a deep breath, and put into some action and keep course. Have tunnel vision to one thing. Don't be distracted with a million one things and trying to do a bunch of things at the same time, because it's not going to work. Because that's where I was, and that's how I had to start from zero. Make sure you stick to one thing, master it, and stay on the course and trust in the process, because success will come. Trust me. And once you go up that hill, it's going to be rough, but when you hit that peak and you start coming back down and the snowball effect starts to come into effect, you will be glad that I told you, and you'll be happy that you stuck with it. So stay with it, and I promise that you'll start making money. Okay? All right, so this one trick with Facebook to make $100 or more per day is, first, I wanted to start out with, you definitely have to find a product, right, to sell. Because if you don't have a product to sell, then you can't make any money, in other words, unless you make your own product. So I'm going to show you a place where there are thousands of different products that you could choose from different niches, whatever you prefer. Now, just a few things, few bullet points. Now, as far as how you're going to get paid, with this method, you will get paid either by check or by a wire transfer. So with the wire transfer, you definitely need a bank, because that's where they're going to send the money. And with a check, they need to send it to you to a physical address. So you definitely have to have one or the other, or both. Now, as far as how much work do you have to do? Well, the main objective is to get clicks or traffic or people to come over to your whatever you're promoting, to your affiliate link. So believe it or not, you'll need roughly, with the statistics of these products that I'm going to show you, you'll roughly need anywhere from 70 to about 100 people to come over to your affiliate link to make a few sales. All right. So it's not, you don't need 1,000 people, 10,000 people to come to make a few sales, to make $100 per day. You could do that. You could do it with under 100 people, as long as you do it correctly. And I'm going to teach you how to do it. Now, as far as timing, now, once you make the sale, this company is going to pay you about every 10 days. So you'll probably wait either anywhere from a week, anywhere from 10 days to about 20 days to get paid, depending on where your sales come from or come within at that time and date, as when the closing date for that paycheck comes out. So anywhere from 10 to 20 days, just to be on the rough side, if you will. So those are pretty much the qualifications, if you will. So be a little patient, and I promise that you could make a few dollars here and there with this simple trick. So the first thing is that I want you to come over to Clickbank. Clickbank, I recommend Clickbank because they've been in business for about 20 years, and they've always paid on time. They never missed a payment, and it's a trustworthy company, and I've never heard anything negative about them. So, and it's one of the largest, if not the largest, affiliate marketing network, if you will. So you could find hundreds of thousands of digital products that you could promote. So once you create account here, they just ask you a few questions, and definitely, how do you want to get paid? So that's how they're going to send the money to. And then once you are finished with that, you are automatically accepted. So there are some other networks that get all fancy. They pretty much interview you. They even call you to do interviews and ask you 1,000,001 questions, but we're not all about that. We want to make money today. We want to make now. We're going to take action today. So once you sign up, you come over here to the affiliate marketplace, and then here's where we're going to find all of the digital products that we could choose from. Now, there are a bunch of different categories here. You could choose whichever one you want, but if you want quick results, I would stay with the top 3, which is going to be health, which is like losing weight and like get a 6-pack without doing exercise, something like that. You want wealth, which is like making money online, or Bitcoin, or trade stocks, so forth. And then you also have sex and relationship. Those are the 3 top niches that are huge, and there's a lot of money to be made in those niches. So I would definitely start with one of those. So just FYI, let's just start with one. Let's go with health and fitness, just for example purposes here. So here we want to do, what we want to do is that we want to look for the popular ones and ones that are selling. So what you're going to look for is that you could sort by results. You could do by popularity. These are the most popular products that are actually selling. And then you could look at the gravity. Anything that I'm assuming, because it's a formula that Clickbank uses, I say anything above 200 is pretty good. It's active, it's getting popular, it's getting traction, and it's still selling there. So anything above 200 gravity score, I think you should be okay for sure. So let's get something, let's go with this one. Flat belly fix. Here, average sales $44. So if you make 2 sales, you're going to make about $90 for 2 sales. If you make 3 sales, you're going to make about $130. So 3 sales, that is all you need to make $100 for that day. And it's possible. It's very possible, and it's doable. So what you do here is that once you get that account, all you have to do is just click promote. And then you're going to put your account nickname and then generate your hop link, which is going to give you your special affiliate link. So that way, when you promote this link, you are going to get that credit, and that's how you get paid. Okay. So you put your account nickname and generate the hop link, and then it's going to spit you out a long link. So after that, what you want to do is that you want to go over to a website called Bitly. And Bitly is a link shortener that's going to make it real small, make it look sexy and easier to click, if you will. So that's bitly.com. So once we got a product, we chose the product, we got our link, we shorten it to make it look sexy. Then all we have to do is come over to Facebook, and then we want to look for people that are interested in losing weight, because we want to target these people. That is kind of like a sales hack. If you do not know, if you're new to sales, that is something that you want. You want to give a solution to people that are looking for a solution and that have a problem. Okay, so people have a problem, you give them the solution. You're going to be the man of the hour, because you're going to give them that solution to their problem. So what you want to do here is that you want to go to all of these Facebook groups, and you want to join them. Join. Because look, all these people, look, this one's kind of small, has 505 members. This one has 94,000 members. This one has 145,000 members, 509,000 members, 275,000. So it's a lot of people. So if you put in, like I said, a little bit of elbow grease, put some time in here and start joining all of these pages, all these groups, then what you do is once you join, you could come over and then you could post in these groups. Not all groups allow you to post, or some groups they'll give you some rules to follow, so make sure you pay attention to those rules. But if you are allowed to post, then you could post something very simple, as far as on how you want to. Another like science to it is that you want to give information about what you are promoting and convince them that you are the solution to that problem. So people are overweight, and you're going to convince them that you have the solution to being overweight, to help them lose weight. It's the perfect diet. So in other words, when you come into one of the groups, once you joined, you'll be allowed to post, and you'll post something like, I love this group, it's very motivational, I love the content here, but I just thought that you would know that I lost a few pounds over the last 30 days and I was using XYZ, whatever the name of the product is. And then you could put, I hope this could help other people as well. And then put in your link, your affiliate link. That way you get traffic for that. Super simple. So imagine, you post it here, right? You have the ability, the chances of 94,000 people seeing your post. Here, 505 people looking at your post. Here, another 145,000 people, 509,000 people. You have the chance of putting your affiliate link and giving them the solution to their problem and convincing them that, hey, come check this out. It worked for me, so I hope it works for you. So what they'll do is they'll click that link and they'll go over to the sales page, which if we're doing the flat belly fix, they'll come over to this sales page here, and then they'll see this video. This video is a sales video, and it's the sales videos, they convert much better than all of, reading a bunch of text, because it kind of gets boring. So because people, naturally people are easier or inclined to learn visually. So here is going to talk all about the product and how it works. So I'm sure there's testimonials and everything, and convince them that they are doing, that product is going to help them out. Just like this, accidentally melted 84 pounds of fat. So what this is that it is telling you that it's super simple. You don't have to follow this long list of regimen and ingredients and so forth. And then it was accidental, meaning that it's super easy. Again, they're reinforcing that it's super easy, and they melted 84 pounds of fat. 84 pounds of fat is a lot. You ever picked up a baby? A baby is about 10 to 15 pounds. So imagine 84 pounds of fat. That's a lot of weight. So it's very exciting and very convincing, because it's super simple. Naturally, with no disrespect if you are overweight, but if you are overweight, you tend to be a little lazy because it's more weight. It's harder to move around and pretty much lug that fat around all over the place. So I mean, no disrespect, but it's, I'm just shooting out the facts here. So so they come over here, and then they'll go ahead and after a certain amount of time with this sales video, they'll see a link here that says to get it or to learn more information. And then that's where they could purchase the flat belly fix here. So it's as simple as that. So one other thing, this little hack that I wanted to show you is that if you don't want to put in the time, going to all of these pages and posting, you could simply spend a few dollars, $10, $20, and you could come over to Fiverr and you could do something like a search post on Facebook groups. And a bunch of gigs came up, and these are people that for $5 they will post for you. You just have to see their ratings and make sure that it's someone that does good quality work. Like for instance, this one only has 5 ratings, but just to give you an example, I will post your ad on 150 Facebook business and advertisement groups. I will share your website to 345 Facebook groups, schedule your 50 posts on your Facebook group. You have different things here, but you want to look for people that are willing to go around and post on Facebook groups for you. You can even type in or search virtual assistant and just tell them, hey, go ahead and do exactly what I was just teaching you, is go to weight loss or lose weight, in the search bar, and go to all of the groups that is possible to do, within one day or whatever timing that you are willing to pay for them, because it's per hour. And tell them that to join all the groups, and then post, just copy and paste your post on all of the groups that you are accepted to, and you'll see the traffic start coming in, and you'll start to see sales to come in. I promise. So there you have it. Super simple. All you have to do is just get a product, figure out what you want to promote, make sure it's a good one, it's popular, and it has a nice gravity score, and then get your hit the promote button, and get your big hop link, and then you're going to shorten it with bit.ly link, and then you're going to come over to Facebook and get join all the groups that you can that are related to the product. Like we did weight loss, the flat belly fix. So we're going for everybody that has to do with weight loss, and then post as many posts as you can, and you will start seeing the sales come in and the traffic come in. So it's super simple. It's just a little time consuming, but it will work for you. So there you have it. So if you got some value out of this video, give me a thumbs up and put in the comments below. What do you think about it? Am I giving you good content here? If you are, if I am, then tell me good job, or let me know if you have a question about anything. I'm here to help you, and we're here to motivate each other, so that way I can continue to give you more value here. So hope you enjoyed it. Again, my name is Eric with Review the Inside. Don't forget to subscribe so I give you more tips and techniques on how to make money online, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.